What is up, guys? My name is Ebenezer Frimpong and welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see from my last video, I'm still in New York and I'm back in the bathroom because, again, the lighting in here is much better than out there. The lighting out there, terrible, garbage. You can't really even see me out there. But right now it's 9:32 a.m. Today's Sunday, December 9th, the day of e-convention. But here's the thing. Check-in for e-convention started at 9:15. So yes, I'm definitely late. It's supposed to start at 9:45, but I don't think it will. So I think I'm going to be okay. But I woke up and I wanted to get this video out for you guys. Here's the thing. The other day, you know, I'm just Twitter fingers scrolling on Twitter, minding my own business, and then I saw this tweet right here. Soulja Boy's a black Elon Musk. I'm like, that ain't it. So I'm like, okay, whatever, someone's just being stupid. All right, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. I come across another tweet right over here. Soulja Boy is the next Bill Gates or something like that, something like along those lines. And then at that point, I'm like, okay, pause, hit the brakes. What is everyone talking about? So I went into the Twitter search bar and typed in Soulja Boy, and an article came up. Clicked on the article, and the article was basically saying Soulja Boy has launched his own gaming console, and I'm like, whoa, that's huge news. That's, of course, yeah, I see why people are saying, you know, the black Elon Musk or Bill Gates, even though it still doesn't make sense because, you know, Elon Musk is, you know, actually going out and changing the world, you know, versus someone who made a gaming console. But anyway, yeah, let's not get into the, you know, the nitty-gritty details. So at the end of the article was a store, and I clicked on the store, and it took me to our very own favorite e-commerce platform, Shopify. It took me to a Shopify store. And the very first thing I saw when I landed on the store was the replica AirPods from AliExpress, you know, the gold ones from AliExpress. And I'm like, wait, this is a dropshipping store. Soulja Boy didn't create anything. He's just dropshipping, right? So I clicked on the replica AirPods, scrolled through. Right there and then, I noticed something. He kept the exact same images from AliExpress, kept the AliExpress description. The only thing he changed was, you know, when you copy descriptions from AliExpress using Herbalo, it always leaves a spot that says brand. He changed it to Soulja brand. That's it. And then I found the gaming console that everyone's talking about, you know, the gaming console that the media has been talking about. Soulja Boy has created his own gaming console, yada, yada, yada. It's like $70 from AliExpress. He didn't create anything new at all. He's just dropshipping, right? And people are praising him for it, hailing him, calling him the next Bill Gates, next Elon Musk, all for dropshipping. So what does that tell you? That tells you that the average person, the average consumer, first of all, the average consumer is kind of dumb. And it also tells you that the average consumer still does not know what dropshipping is. And it tells you another thing. The average consumer will never buy from AliExpress. They don't trust it. They're never even gonna think to, because when they see AliExpress, they think fake China products, right? Even though that's not fully the case. Like, they're like, oh no, I wouldn't buy a product from China, but every single thing in your house is made in China. And guess how much he did in revenue from that announcement and from all the media attention? Guess, just take a wild guess. Soulja Boy did $250,000 in revenue in 24 hours with his gaming console. But I don't think he used paid traffic. This is why I say that, because let me sit right here. Okay, so this is why I'm 99% sure he didn't use any paid traffic. He didn't use Google ads or Facebook ads or anything like that. What he did was utilize his personal brand. Soulja Boy has, like, let's see, I think he has over 1 million followers on Twitter. Soulja Boy has 5.2 million. I don't know if it'll focus, but he has 5.2 million followers on on Twitter, right? 5.2 million. I don't know how many of those people are actually active. So it's not a shock that he did $250,000 in revenue, right? I would be shocked if he did much less than that, right? If he did like 10,000 in revenue, I would be like, okay, there's something wrong with your personal brand, especially your Twitter account. You probably have a lot of bot followers, but that's not the case. And he also got a ton, when I say a ton of media attention, there's so many articles saying that he launched a gaming console. Another thing I want to point out is everything becomes easier when you have a personal brand, right? Supreme Patty also dropships, and I think I have made a video about that. Soulja Boy is also dropshipping because it's a simple business model, right? And if you have an audience already, selling your products becomes super easy. In the Supreme Patty video, I actually talked about this. I talked about how most of us dropshippers, most people are dropshipping the hard way, right? You know, finding products, you know, driving traffic, testing products. You don't really have to do any of that when you have a personal brand. You already have the audience. All you have to do is find out what they like and just provide it. The demand is already there. You just go ahead and supply the demand. Whatever niche you're in, really, and if you have a personal brand, utilize it, right? But do it much better than Soulja Boy. Oh my gosh, his website actually sucks. But if you have a personal brand, let's say you're in the fitness niche, right? You're a bodybuilder, workout, whatever, right? You have a personal brand around that. You can build a dropshipping store centered around fitness, fitness, working out, and find products from AliExpress, add them to your store, products that relate to your niche, right? And use your personal brand to drive traffic over, and boom, easy money, right? And if a product's not doing well, you can immediately get it out, replace it with a new product. Supreme Patty does this where every couple of months he launches a new product, right? He didn't create anything. He just drops it. He just adds another product to his store. So that's basically the entire gist of this video. Is if you have a personal brand, utilize it to build a dropshipping store. If you don't have a personal brand, I suggest you start building one. But that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and most definitely subscribe.
Pull out the Lambos, we bout have a race. I put on the seatbelt in case. Like future my diamonds, they jump out the face. Can't even seek in his grace. Get some so rock, we just put up the ace. Stars in the roof of the raid. Praying to God, yeah, I'm keeping my faith. You don't wanna get out of place. Making this money, I just keep going. Not gonna stop till my bank overflowing.